G'day guys, welcome to this week's video. About 3.5 years ago I came to this location, Nora Head Lighthouse, and I shot my first ever vlog here. I remember nervously standing at the front of the lighthouse here, and what was to be one of the first ever videos I ever did and captured for my YouTube channel. And I decided after 3.5 years it was time to revisit. So I've come back up here this morning to shoot a vlog and try and capture an image of the lighthouse again. Out the front here we've got a really beautiful sky this morning starting to appear. It's not unlike last time I was here. We had that muted sky across the top of the horizon, and just on the horizon we've got a little bit of a break with some nice light cloud breaking through. So I'm hopeful we'll get some nice light here this morning and be able to capture an image of this beautiful lighthouse that was built in 1908. I'm going to get my camera set up, get my composition set, and then I'll come back and talk to you some more. The composition I've got this morning, I'm just shooting straight down the barrel, straight at the lighthouse. I've got the lighthouse placed in the middle of my frame. Currently I'm sitting on about f10 and I've got about a 1.5 second shutter speed, and really some beautiful pink hues coming onto the top of the horizon now. So I'm just going to keep firing some shots here while we've got this beautiful light this morning. Sun just starting to poke its head through the horizon. Currently my settings are about f11 and I'm shooting at 1/6 of a second. I don't have a polarizer on, I've just got a soft edge neutral density filter just to balance out the sky with the foreground. But what a lovely morning to be out shooting again at Nora Head. Sun's just starting to crest the horizon now, and I've come around to the left hand side of the lighthouse, and I'm going to wait until I get a little bit of light from the sunrise just on the side of the lighthouse. But we've got a beautiful sky here this morning, lovely sunrise, and this fantastic subject of the Nora Head Lighthouse. The thing I've learned about shooting landscapes over the last 3.5 years is that other than light and composition, probably the next most important thing would be subject matter, and you wouldn't get any better subject matter than a beautiful old lighthouse like Nora Head. It was so good to come here this morning. I've been shooting around this area for the last couple of months, and I managed to actually get a really nice astro down the front of the lighthouse the other night, and a couple of panos from down south, so I'll put those up at the end of this vlog as well. It's easy to see why this beautiful old lighthouse is such a magnet for photographers around the Central Coast. And I've certainly enjoyed coming back here this morning and reliving where I did the first vlog, so it was great to get back here, get a couple of images and just enjoy the moment of this beautiful balmy morning here on the Central Coast. The last of the morning light coming through now. So I've just popped on the 70-200 and I'm shooting at about a 50th of a second at f11, and I'm just zoomed right in on the horizon on that thin band of colour. It just makes a really nice image with the different layers of colour all the way down from the horizon to the ocean, and just a nice way to finish off here this morning. Eventually, as the cloud came through more, it started to mute out the sunrise, but we got some really nice colours early, so I'm hoping I'll be able to pull something out, one of those images, when I go home. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment or subscribe to see more of my landscape videos. Make sure you tap the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Bye for now.